If you like our videos, please like and subscribe.
Good morning, everybody. This is an update video on Silver. Silver's our Jeep that we pull for a towed. And back up a little bit here, I've replaced this. I backed into my wife's, I backed into Silver with my wife's Buick, and I bent this all up and tore a hole in the bottom of it, so I did get that replaced. That was 8 bolts taking the bumper off, and then 4 bolts taking the plastic bumper cover off of the bumper. But I've got that replaced, and I left this, there was a silver spot right here, and I left the silver off because I think it makes the Jeep look a little more rugged. And but what I'm doing today, I've got my tools, I've got my penetrating oil, because I always spray bolts with penetrating oil before I try to remove them, and I've got my work gloves, of course. But I'm an old man, so I've got my sheet down there. But looky there, I have a dog's bed to lay on to get underneath there, because I'm getting pretty old. I'm getting pretty old, that's all I'm going to say. But I messed this up towing. I got it covered with black black duct tape to make it look a little better for now. But I messed that up towing the last time we took a trip. So I ordered these, and these are tubular steel. These are made by Hooke Road, and there's only, if you notice, there's only two. There's an attachment on that end, sorry about that, an attachment on that end, and there's none in the middle. And I'm assuming there's 3 in the middle on this plastic one. So I'm assuming with the tubular steel you only need 2, because Amazon says that it will work with my 2015 Jeep. Again, this is by Hooke Road, and I think it's really cool. I did not notice this when I ordered these, but it says since 1941. Jeep's been around since 1941. So when I get these on, I'll take a little bit of video and give you a little update later. Here is a good shot of what the I don't know whether these were factory. Sometimes they don't come with them, sometimes they do, if they're ordered from the factory with them. I think I'm going to take that silver off the back too, to make that just black all the way across. But I do have one of the new Hooke Road on. I think it looks pretty nice. There was 3, 6, 9. Had to take 6 nuts and 3 bolts off to get the factory off. And then there's 2 nuts on this end you take off. 2 nuts on that end you take off. It's relatively easy. I'm going to do, I have these holes here that I don't like, that you couldn't see before. So I'm going to get 6 dummy bolts to put in there. And then I think that will, I'll just get 6 black or silver dummy bolts to put in there. And that won't look too bad, but yeah, I think it looks okay. It's got a little lower step than the other one had on it. Halfway there. And I would recommend that if you don't have a ratchet that angles, get a ratchet that angles before you do this, because I had to use a wrench on 5 out of the 6 nuts I had to take off on the factory to get it off. So, see you in a bit. Well, I do have the new rails on. I did go, I think in an earlier clip I showed you guys there was 6 holes from the old rails that I took off, so I just went and got some dummy bolts and put in them. I wanted black, but I couldn't. They had just a few black. They were metric and very expensive in single packs, so it's the first time Silver's had a bath for a while. I didn't do a real good job. I didn't even take it to the car wash or anything. I just took some plastic cleaner, and again, I think I'm going to take that silver off right there in the middle. I'm not sure. I think it might look a little better black all the way across there. It's got some big scratches right there. Anyway, not doing a very good job videotaping here, but I think the side rails make it look better. I got to get these back tires cleaned up from our last trip out. Got into some mud, didn't even off-road. We was at a very poorly taken care of campground down Hocking Hills. You know what? If you take care of your Jeep, someday your Jeep may have to take care of you. Again, these are by Hooke Road. I do say since 1941. For those of you who may not know, Jeep's been around since 1941. Silver is a Wrangler, Sahara Unlimited. I think it looks much better with them. I do have that one side that's not damaged, the plastic, the original factory. If anybody has one that's got damage to one side and just needs one side, hit me up in the comments and we'll work something out. Okay, that's another day. I want to add that it was like, I don't know, it was in the 90s today, and I did get nauseated a few times. Have to go inside and cool off. Felt like I was going to vomit. Here's the front bumper I put on recently because I had damaged that. The company that body shop that fixed my wife's car wanted $519 to replace that plastic front bumper on Silver, and I found it and it was a little over $100, and of course the bolts, my time, my labor to replace it. And these were a little under, I think they were like $330. I think $330 on Amazon. But they're on. I'm glad. I need to quit doing damage to it. It's my fault. So, camping with Endless Weekends. Thanks for stopping in. It's a little short video of the Jeep upgrade. Hope you enjoyed it. Be blessed. Have a good day.